Mulayam Singh Yadav says to all of us, do your job, I will do mine. Well, we are doing our job. Mulayam Singh Yadav is not doing his job. Mr. Waqar, Samajwadi Party joins us back from, leader joins us from Lucknow. Sabah Naqvi, political editor of Outlook. Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP. Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress. Khushbu of the DMK. Let me start with you, Khushbu. Mulayam Singh Yadav says, do your job. I think I'm doing my job. I think I'm doing my job when I say that Mulayam Singh Yadav and his brother and his son are feudal and chauvinistic kind of people who believe that the media is the cause of rape. I think I'm doing my job, am I not, Khushbu?
You're doing your job very well, Arnab. I must congratulate you because all these news which has been coming on your show, it really is an eye-opener for the people of India to understand as to what kind of rape and what kind of injustice women are subjected to in every corner of India. I think Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav and any other party member should understand that if they were doing their job, this wouldn't be the headline news in every day for the last so many months. They are not doing their job. They are not doing their job. If they were doing their job, we wouldn't be sitting on the television debate on the national news every day talking about a woman being raped or killed in Uttar Pradesh. If they were doing their job, we wouldn't be here breaking our heads and saying what the hell is happening in my country. If they were doing their job, we wouldn't be sitting here and trying to wonder as to what safety a government can give to the women of his state where they want them to power. It's a shame on their government to say that they are doing their job.
They are not doing their job at all. In fact, I think, Mr. Waqar, listen to everybody today. We are doing our jobs. I am doing my job when I say that your leader Mulayam Singh Yadav has a skewed mindset. I am doing my job when I'm saying that people like you, Mr. Waqar, are nothing but his master's voice. I am doing my job when I'm telling you that your leaders have brought shame, international shame, to India today. The US State Department, Ban Ki-moon at the United Nations, all have condemned the kind of comments. In fact, Ban Ki-moon quoted Mulayam Singh Yadav's comment and he says, this dismissive, destructive attitude of boys will be boys has to be fought. This is so shameful, Mr. Waqar.
Mr. Arnav.
This is so shameful.
Mr. Arnav,
yes, Mr.
Can I reply, please?
No, you can, but don't say you do your job, I do mine. You don't do your job. You don't do your job. You have to be constantly reminded what your job is.
बोलने दे तो मैं आपको जवाब दूं।
जरा दीजिए।
मैं आपको जवाब देना चाह रहा हूं। आप इतना बोल रहे हैं, मुझे जवाब नहीं देने दे रहे हैं।
सारी दुनिया बोल रही है, आप सुनिए, आपकी बात सुनना चाहते हैं, बताइए।
माननीय नेताजी के भाषण को जिस तरह से आप लोग दोहरा रहे हैं बार बार, मैं समझता हूं कि आप लोग समझे ही नहीं। उन्होंने बलात्कारियों के लिए कुछ नहीं कहा था, उन्होंने मौत की सजा के लिए कहा था।
बिल्कुल नहीं
कि मौत की सजा होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए। दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ द डिस्कशन।
आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। आप नेशनल टीवी में आके यू आर कमिंग ऑन टेलीविजन एंड लाइंग। आप इस तरह के झूठ कैसे बोल सकते हैं? अपने आप को बचाने के लिए और अपने नेताजी को बचाने के लिए इस तरह से।
मैं नहीं बचा रहा हूं अपने आप को। बात सुनिए पहले मेरी।
इस तरह का सफेद झूठ बोल रहे हैं।
कहा था, लेकिन मैं कहता हूं
व्हाइट लाई।
My personal opinion is this, that the accused should be hanged.
I don't care about your personal opinion. I have a person, there is a person called Mulayam Singh Yadav who says, एक minute. You know what Mulayam Singh Yadav said? No, you know why this is happening in UP today? You know why this is happening? You know why we have become the laughing stock of the country? You know why even in Pakistan, some people say that India has become the rape capital of the world? It is of people like Mulayam Singh Yadav who have protected rapists. And let me tell you, on the 10th of April, he said that women and men have relationships. आप सुन लीजिए, संबंध होते हैं, उसके बाद आप सुन लीजिए प्लीज, मेरी बात सुन लीजिए पूरी तरह से प्लीज। नहीं वकार जी, आप परसों भी बहुत कुछ बोल चुके हैं, मेरी बात सुन लीजिए। आपके लीडर ने ये कहा था कि men and women have relationships, then after there are differences between men and women go and they report that they have been raped. Then he says the poor boy, yes, यानी कि rapist के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, the poor boy faces a death sentence. फिर वो कहते हैं should a rapist face death?
What do you mean to say that the Supreme Court ruling about this living relationship कि both one man
I am so ashamed of you.
living.
I am so ashamed of what you are saying.
It's called living relationship.
I am so ashamed of what you are saying. You should go back and ask people in your own family. You can ask your own family members. You can ask women in your own family what they think of the kind of rubbish that you are speaking on television. You know what live-in relationships? I am talking about rape. I am talking about rape, sir.
Then why are you talking about living relationship?
I am talking about rape.
I am also here.
I am talking about rape, Mr. Waqar. And I think people like you and your party, please remember one thing. People like you are bringing shame to my country, our country.
Behave.
Wow, behave where? You should behave yourself. You have the highest number. You have the highest number of incidents of abduction and kidnapping of women.
And the rapists. We all are against the rapists.
Of course not. Your leader said boys will be boys. They are prone to making mistakes.
I am in.
Why did he say that?
And you are against rapists.
I am telling you, your Mulayam Singh Yadav said boys will be boys. Did he not say boys will be boys? उसका मतलब क्या है? गलतियां होंगी. रीटा बहुगुणा जोशी, लेट्स गेट यू इनटू द डिबेट. सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह, आपने पहली बात तो यह है, आपने बुरी तरह से हमारे देश को एम्बैरेस किया है.
गलत दिशा में जा रहे हैं.
पता नहीं आप किस जमाने में रहते हैं.
आप गलत दिशा में जा रहे हैं.
पता नहीं आप किस जमाने में रहते हैं. गलत दिशा आपकी है, गलत सोच आपकी है और गलत व्यवहार भी आपका है.
अगर कभी किसी को गलत तरीके से रेप का
एंड मैं फोन लाइन आज खोल दूंगा. मैं अभी इस वक्त फोन लाइन खोल दूंगा ताकि आप जनता की आवाज सुने.
उसकी माँ से, उसकी बहन से, उसकी भाभी से बात की कि आपके घर का एक मर्द ऐसा था जिस पर गलत तरीके से झूठा रेप का आरोप लगाया.
आपका स्पीच खत्म हो गया. आपकी स्पीच खत्म हो गई. आपकी जो सफेद झूठ है वो पकड़ी गई.
अगर आप गलत बोलोगे तो फिर
सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह, आई फाइंड नो रिमोर्स. रीटा बहुगुणा जोशी, आई फाइंड नो रिमोर्स in the Samajwadi Party. In fact, I find more arrogance with each passing day.
I don't know what type of remote you are talking
Siddharth Nath Singh.
I know that what I mean to say and what I am saying.
You don't know anything.
You
don't know
it's
anything except how to
unfortunate.
please your bosses.
My party is not standing behind the
I don't think, Mr. Waqar, you understand the sensitivity and the seriousness of the debate. So let's please, Mr. Waqar, आप जरा शांत रहें और दूसरों को भी आप मौका दें. Please, let's maintain the decorum. I don't think you understand the sensitivity and the seriousness of the debate. It's a very serious issue. And in fact, your Akhilesh Yadav thinks that why throwing statistics, he can hide away or trivialize this whole issue. We are not here to discuss mathematics or numbers of each state. The issue is how the government response should have been. Unfortunately, your government response by the top 3 people have been really, you can say arrogant, or you can say it's very disturbing in a state like Uttar Pradesh. One is saying the boys will be boys, जो लड़के हैं वो लड़के रहेंगे, छोड़ दो. दूसरा कहता है कि भाई आपके यहाँ तो आप सेफ है ना, इसको करो. अरे मुलायम, then the question comes, Akhilesh Yadav, your house is safe, so let's allow the entire Uttar Pradesh to be raped. This is not the way to react. Today, Mr. Ram Gopal ji says TV is showing vulgar thing, and therefore the mindset gets influenced. Is this the response? Are you still in a denial? You were in a denial during the Muzaffarnagar riots. You went to Safai and you saw the entire Bollywood thumkas happening there. This is not the way. You should learn the lesson after a massive defeat you have seen in the Lok Sabha. The issue is governance today in India.
No, Mr. Wakar's
and the
party
mandate to you has been governance.
No, Mr. Wakar's party, Siddharth, does not believe in governance. It only believes with some strange logic. It's some strange logic that these rapists watch television, and because they watch TV, they go out, then they rape women, they kill them, they put acid on them, then they hang them from the trees. Please, Mr. Wakar, please, Mr. Wakar, you are justifying rape.
And I'm in favor of the
हद हो चुकी है. आप बलात्कार को justify करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
All I can say, they are doomed.
आप बलात्कार को देश टीवी पे जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
I would like to ask a question to Mr. Wakar.
Go ahead, Khushbu.
जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा हूं. बलात्कार एक बलात्कार है. मैं समाजवादी पार्टी का वर्कर होने से पहले एक मुसलमान हूं और मुसलमानों में बलात्कारी की सजा मौत है. उसको तब तक पत्थर मारे जाए जमीन में गाड़ के जब तक मर ना जाए। ये इस्लामिक कानून है।
मुसलमान
मैं
हो या
एक
हिंदू
मुसलमान
हो,
हूँ, मैं
उससे
इसको
फर्क नहीं
फॉलो करता
पड़ता।
हूँ।
फिर आपके लीडर ने क्यों कहा कि
मिस्टर वकार साहब, ये हिंदू मुसलमान कहां से आ गया?
प्लीज,
एक लॉ है इस देश का।
कोई हिंदू मुसलमान है नहीं,
हर चीज में हिंदू मुसलमान
बात नहीं है। एक औरत की इज्जत, एक औरत की जान की बात है, चाहे वो कोई भी हो।
और
मैं कह रही हूँ, अगर आप कह रहे हैं, मुलायम साहब कहते हैं कि लड़के लड़के ही रहेंगे, आप कह रहे हैं कि लड़के लड़के रहेंगे, तो वो रेप की बात नहीं हो रही थी, उनको सजाए मौत की बात हो रही थी। तो इसका मतलब क्या, लड़के रेप करते रहेंगे, उनको सजाए मौत मत दो। लड़के से गलती हो जाती है, छोड़ दो।
नहीं, बात सुनिए पहले आप। ऐसा नहीं है, आप लोग गलत दिशा में जा रहे हैं।
तो कैसा है?
बलात्कार है,
तो आप बताइए तो कैसा है?
क्राइम है। और मेरी क्राइम है, मैं कह रहा हूं क्राइम है।
अब वो
और क्या सुनना चाहते हैं आप लोग?
अगर
क्या क्राइम है?
अगर
क्या क्राइम है? फिर नहीं, 1 मिनट खुशबू, 1 मिनट। इन दैट केस वकार जी, जरा ये बात बताइए कि आपकी पार्टी हर बार बलात्कार और बलात्कारियों को सपोर्ट क्यों करती रहती है? आपके लीडर क्यों कहते हैं कि बॉयज विल बी बॉयज, लड़के तो गलतियां करेंगे? What rubbish are you talking about? Mr. Wakar, no, 1 second. Mr. Wakar, आपको आज माफी मांगना पड़ेगा टेलीविजन पर।
बात है, आपके यहाँ जो लोग हैं जो बलात्कार करते हैं, उनको डर नहीं है।
अच्छा, I'll tell you.
उनको डर नहीं है।
नहीं,
they are not scared। उनको पता है कि हाँ चलो हम कुछ भी कर लेंगे। 12 साल की बच्ची को, 14 साल की बच्ची को, या कोई भी हो, उनको मार के रेप करके उनको पेड़ पे टांग देंगे और गवर्नमेंट कुछ नहीं करने वाली।
I'll tell you,
biggest pillar of the democracy.
Don't teach me about my job. No, no, 1 minute. First of all, Mr. Wakar, I'll tell you one thing. I did not become a journalist with your permission. I don't need to know from you how to do journalism. I don't need to know from Mulayam Singh Yadav how and what the media should be doing. And if you have the courage to listen, then you accept that in May 2013, the Samajwadi Party was the one party which was totally against the toughening of anti-rape laws in India. In fact, Ram Gopal Yadav had said that the anti-rape laws had been framed on the recommendations of some mentally retarded people. आप सुन रहे हैं मेरी बात, वकार जी? I think.
Yes, I am listening. Are
you listening or are you leaving?
Yes, I am listening.
उनको उनके मालिक से फोन आ चुका है।
Already to your stop that I was on another TV, so your staff called me that please come for 20 minutes.
Yes, so I am asking you today that in March 2013,
because the program is already settled.
In March 2000,
the program is already settled.
In March,
I was here only for
in March 2000, in March 2013, Mr. Wakar,
so I am going.
Mr. Wakar, in March 2013.
Yes.
In March 2013, Mr. Wakar, is it true that Ram Gopal Yadav had said that the anti-rape law had been framed on the recommendations of mentally retarded people? ये कहा था कि नहीं? उन्होंने कहा था कि नहीं?
I don't know.
I don't know. What do you mean I don't know?
I don't know.
What do you mean I don't know? And now you're taking off the mic and leaving. 1 second. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, आपको किससे फोन आया? 1 second. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, before Mr. Wakar leaves the program, I'd like you to put your point of view on the kind of rubbish which he's spoken about in the first 20 minutes of the program. There he leaves. Anyway.
Look, I think I've been watching your debate.
Anyway, I'll keep this.
Yeah. And I think it's a very serious issue. And the way the Samajwadi these spokesperson are handling it, I think it's absolutely wrong. They should not be talking like this. It's a serious matter for which the government should contemplate seriously. Now, passing the buck to other things and saying that the administration is not responsible, then why did he have to dismiss 2 constables? Why did he have to change his officers? If he feels that it is what has happened is gruesomely wrong, then he must take the responsibility and assure the nation that these happenings will be dealt with seriously, and the government will try that crime against women does not continue unabated, it will be controlled. And loose statements, I think, go against the psyche of the nation. 21st century, we are looking for the safety of women. We have established laws, and rape has been well defined in those laws. He says, samjhaute se, aapasi sehmati se, no. Consensus is not, they have also defined, if you are exploiting a woman on some promise.
No, but Rita Bahuguna Joshi, all this is okay. No, all this is okay. I want to ask you, just because 1 minute, Rahul Gandhi won his seat in Amethi because the Samajwadi Party did not put up a candidate against him. And Sabha, all what Rita Bahuguna Joshi said is fine. But when Mulayam Singh Yadav said boys will be boys, when he made that horrible comment, the Congress said...
We condemned it.
No, what condemned? You should have done more than condemned. You let them off at that point of time because Mulayam Singh Yadav was helping Rahul Gandhi scrape through in Amethi.
Please excuse me.
What do you mean excuse me?
Every woman.
What do you mean excuse me? For political convenience?
It was not
no, you
the
did.
right state.
What
are you talking?
What did Sonia Gandhi say about it? What did Rahul Gandhi say about it? If anyone else, say Narendra Modi had said something like that, you would not have spared them. But when Mulayam Singh Yadav said something like that, you spared him. You did not take a position. Today you are in a situation where nothing to lose any further, which is why you're saying this. Sabha, am I wrong?
In the case of Badayu, the first national leader of importance was Rahul Gandhi to reach there. What are you saying? He went there in
Badayu has happened after the elections, ma'am. What did Rahul Gandhi say? Okay, what did Rahul Gandhi say? What did Rahul Gandhi say? What did Rahul Gandhi say when Mulayam said boys will be boys and they can make mistakes like rape? What did Rahul Gandhi say then?
Are we dealing
absolutely nothing
with the statement? Are we dealing with the melee of
no, I don't think Rahul Gandhi said anything.
The entire media. The media is talking about case for the past 5 days.
Sabha, please.
And what has happened to minors in Meghalaya? What happened to minors? Rita ji has to be understood. Please let us debate it seriously.
Okay.
Let us see how this case
let Sabha come in.
Crime against women in the country.
No, I'm just saying that.
Let us debate it seriously.
We are debating it seriously.
Rita ji,
Rita ji, let Sabha come in, please. Don't take it otherwise. But Rahul Gandhi said nothing. Rahul Gandhi said nothing. When Mulayam Singh Yadav said boys can make mistakes like rape, Rahul Gandhi said nothing. He keeps talking about the empowerment of women. Empowerment of women. In his interview with me, he spoke about empowerment of women at least 100 times. But when Mulayam Singh Yadav said boys will be boys and make mistakes like rape, Rahul Gandhi said nothing. Sabha.
Arnab, first of all, the Samajwadi Party, from the time they came to power in 2012, if you recall, violence began in Uttar Pradesh. There was a lot of, the Gundaism began from the time they came in with a simple majority. I want to make a point that rape is not about desire that you're watching, it's about power. It's not about men watching a television serial and going and piling on to a woman. It's about power. And you look at the...
Oops, just
it's about people asserting power over less powerful people, you know. And certainly Rita Bahuguna Joshi would know that the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh deteriorated from the time Akhilesh and Mulayam came to power. They have a lot of Latayat communities. They have people who are asserting their power. Now I think this round of violence in UP is people who are losing power, who have a sense of power slipping away, and they are going to assert it even more. They have just been shamed in the election.
Are you saying they are being shielded? Are you saying they are being shielded by the Samajwadi Party? Are they being shielded by the Samajwadi Party, Sabha?
Mulayam Singh lost power in 2007 because of law and order. Mayawati lost power in 2012 because of law and order. And the Sapa has done, SP has done woefully badly, terribly badly in the Lok Sabha because of law and order. Law and order is a huge issue. And whether the government is changing or not, Samajwadi Party or Bahujan Samaj Party, it's always been that. You're forgetting Lakhimpur Kheri, you're forgetting Banda, you're forgetting Fatehpur, you're forgetting Agra, you're forgetting Meerut.
Why are you defending Mulayam? Why are you defending Mulayam?
Samajwadi has lost power twice.
Why are you defending Mulayam, Siddharth?
They have gone out of power because of law and order. And they've again lost power because of law and order. And right now, they can't pass the buck onto the media or to the social setup. They have to accept. The government has to accept that there is a deficiency in administration, in governance.
General comment means nothing. I'd like to...
so free to do what they are doing.
comments,
They're not
general comments from you.
They are involving
Madhu
their
Gupta,
involvement
general
with the-
comments, they mean nothing. Madhu Gupta, welcome to the debate.